Hello everyone, I'm so glad to see you back. This week we're visiting Sweden for GSWF Bronze Certification. This training was organized by GSWF distributor here in North Europe, Scandraft. GSWF Bronze Certification takes 2 days. First day we're covering theory, we're talking about tools, about slip solution, tack solution, as well we're playing with a small pieces of paint protection film. Second day we're spending more time on practicing and wrapping entire panels, and as well we're using not only clear paint protection film, we're using colored paint protection film.
Super cool knife, very kind of accurate. Boom. Pro glove.
That was good. Yeah, it was much better than that.
Old school way, always works.
Now we're going to do just a screw. First of all, I will wipe, then I will spray you.
It must be. Under 3 top 3 tender.
Today's our last day of training and one car is almost fully wrapped. For this car we use colored paint protection film from GSWF and color finish looks amazing. And it's awesome that every single guy was able to wrap full panel and practice their skills, because this car is wrapped by 8 different people. That's amazing. As well, next to us we have other car And on this car, they will continue practicing our clear film protection film installation skills, because today all day is dedicated for hands-on training. Guys will be able to wrap full panel, bonnet, guard, bumper, mirrors, and of course test different paint protection film: matte PPF, gloss black PPF, matte black PPF, colored PPF. So let's continue. Damaging the glue. We just changed our plan. Instead of working on the red car, we're gonna work on this white car because we had all PPF on it, and people want to learn how to remove it in the right way and to install fresh new GSWF PPF.
Åh, vilken kraft som 10 turbon lades in där.
Now guys are installing the bonnet. It's one of the tasks for second day training. They need to do it by themselves. Most important part, certificates. GSWF certified! So guys, thank you for watching. Our training week is done here in Sweden. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's me, Orafal, and I will see you next time.